structure, your fighting stance, and your footwork. And now we're going to cover one of your first basic 4 techniques. The one we're going to cover now is your shuffle step to the groin. So when you're doing your shuffle step, what you're doing is you're doing a pendulum footwork. Your back foot goes to your front, and then your front knee goes up like this. But because it's to the groin, your knee doesn't have to come so high up. It just needs to lift so it's a little bit elevated, right? Because the full motion is like that. That's your shuffle kick, there, right? Notice how I recover. I pendulum, kick, and I plant. When you start off running, your hands can be low if you want, or it can be up here. But regardless of what you choose, when you finish your shuffle kick, your hand has to be up because now you're in punching range. You're going to start from here, you're going to shuffle step, and make sure when you lift up that your knee is actually aiming at the target. There, you kick and extend, and you kick it with your instep. The reason why your knee should face the target and be somewhat the same height is because it makes your kick easier to hit. If you're just throwing the whole leg, if you lift the target off, I can miss, and then I have to use a lot of force to recover, and you can do counters. By keeping your knee and the target at the same height, there's not so much turning on my hips. If I'm doing it like this, I have to turn my whole hip, my whole body, and that's a telegraph you don't want. So really easy, back to front, kick, and then you put your foot down. There, and then there. See? Really easy, back to front, lift your knee up, kick, and then you go there. When you practice this, do it slow. Do 10, where you're just kicking it technically. You're just trying to get used to moving around, like that. Just real simple, like that. Now, when you get comfortable with this, you do another 10, but now you do them slowly. Not one after the other, but slowly. What you want to do is this. Remember, when you're kicking someone in the groin, think of it this way. No man will allow himself to get kicked in the balls. It's something we've learned since we were in preschool. Getting kicked in the balls it's not the most exciting experience. So you don't want to telegraph anything to this guy, telling him that you're going to kick him in the balls. So when you've done your 10 technical, you're just working it like this. Now you try to do it faster, but you do every kick slower. You start slowly, and then what you want to do is you want to make your kick fast. Everything here is the same, but your kick starts here and goes out. This part you have to do quick. So you do it slowly and like that. You see? Nice and relaxed, and then you kick. And make everything nice and slowly. Make sure you're one step away from him, so you have that time to react. So if he steps forward, you can intercept, or if he steps forward, you can retreat and still maintain your distance. So here, nice and relaxed, and remember to fire your kick as fast as you can, like that. But there has to be smack. It has to hit hard so the guy reacts to it. There, there. Make it really correct. What you're going to do is, as you shuffle, you're going to fake high first. The reason why you fake high is I want to kick him in the balls. I don't want to tell him I'm going to kick him in the balls. So you can do it just naked, that means no extra shit on. Just kick, bam, get it. If you want to be smart about it, you're going to camouflage this thing with something else. So you're going to go fake high. When you go fake high, that is actually a little shuffle you're doing here to get yourself a little bit closer, if your target's far away. There. When you do it, what you don't want to do is you don't want to do this, or like that. You want to give the appearance that you're invading the space. So you're faking an eye jab. I know when you go eye jab, it's supposed to be straight. But here, I'm using my palm to get his attention on my hand. This part masks the kick. You get it? So here, there. Notice how I'm leaning forward to get him to react to the high line. High line there, low line there. See? Nice and slow. And fake high, you kick. Again, fake high, you kick low. Cool, that's your shuffle kick to the groin. Try that, and I'll see you in the next episode.